Good day to my future employer. My name is Marlene M. Datu from Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I am 31 years of age. I am single. I have one daughter, age of 8 years old, and I am college undergraduate. I work in Saudi Arabia for almost 4 years. I serve 5 members of the family. 3 children, age of 5 years old, 7 years old, and 13 years old, and one couple. My main duties are to taking care of the kids, playing with them, prepare their things every time they going to school. I will cook food for them and helping taking a bath. While them at the school, I am also doing household chores like cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing, cooking, and other household. I am a person who is hardworking, patient, loving, kind, energetic, and trustworthy. I want to work with you to earn money and for the better future of my family, especially to my daughter. If you choose me, you will not regret. I will love your children as my own. I assure you, give you the best of my ability and faithfully to your family. Thank you, Mom, Sir. Hope to see you. God bless.